If you're an animal lover, you need to know about the pufferfish. It's not just any fish. Pufferfish are the underwater wizards of transformation. When they feel threatened, they puff up to twice their size, and if that's not cool enough, they've got spikes all over their bodies when they inflate. Talk about a prickly personality. These fish are also masters of disguise. They blend into their surroundings to avoid predators. But wait, there's more. Pufferfish have a secret weapon, a toxic substance called tetrodotoxin. It's deadly to predators and even humans. So if you see one, admire from afar. Despite their dangerous side, pufferfish are actually quite cute. Their big eyes and chubby cheeks make them look like underwater puppies, but remember, looks can be deceiving.